You will be amazed by this 2023 Honda CR-V. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Prepare to fall in love with this sleek, tech-savvy CR-V. Loaded with convenience features to make your life easier, all-weather capability, and premium styling, this small SUV is the perfect complement to your active lifestyle. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, moonroof, keyless entry, heated mirrors, adaptive cruise control, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC, heated front seat. Being adventurous never felt so refined. Treat yourself to a road test in the Honda CR-V and enjoy an exceptional driving experience.